In today's free online Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to loop MP4 video file format, or any video file that you wish for free in less than 2 minutes. Step 1. Drag your video onto the timeline. Step number 2. Under your program video file, click the plus icon on the bottom right, or the button editor, and then locate where the loop file icon is, which is going to be on the second row. And it's going to be this icon right here, which says loop playback. So when you click on it, nothing will happen. So you have to click, hold, and drag, and then click OK. And in order to enable it, you click the loop playback, and then it's color blue. Select a video on the timeline that you would like to loop back. In this case, it's going to be when our subject dunks the basketball. Okay, so once you have this clip selected, we're going to create an in point, an out point, and then click the loop playback icon. So now it looks something like this. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist for more content in the pinned comment or the video description. And subscribe to the channel with all notifications.